Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be starting back my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all. So today I'm literally gonna just be doing errands. We're gonna kickstart the YouTube with errands, okay? And our first errand, we have a list of stuff to do today. Hopefully I can get through the list of stuff that I have to do today. Oh, my lip them dry. Hold on. First, let's get the lips, boo. The lips, okay. All right, so we got the lips. So on my to-do list today, this little notepad is so cute. I am like super obsessed with it. It is so cute. It looks like an iPhone, but it's literally like a notepad. So, oh Jesus, what an embarrassment is this? I could put it back in there like say nothing wrong with the book. That's crazy. We're gonna have to glue up that because the book cannot just serve me for one outing. That's crazy. So anyways, I have my little list right here. I'm going to 3 places today. I'm going to Gibo Tradings, I'm going to Nationals, and I'm also going to Price Smart. And I'm really hoping that I get all the things that I want on my list because it's so annoying when I don't. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna walk with my list because I don't want to buy everything and then things what I'm supposed to get, I end up not get because I'm like a dirty style that and we're not doing that today. So we'll walk with the book. Alright? I remember people, we're on a budget, so nobody asks me for nothing. Nobody asks me for nothing for buying nothing phone today. I don't know, I have like a dirty habit then. I make my list and then when I reach, I buy something. I buy something else on the family list. But make me see how best we can go off our the panel list there. Let me see how much things are on my list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 12s. 24. Hopefully I not have more than 24. You know what? You know what? I'm not even gonna promise. I'm not gonna make no promise. Anyways, I can come just leave out. I'm gonna leave out. I'm gonna leave. My office stay hydrated. People, the sun is so hot. I'm big up to the people that who got champs today and sit down in the sun. I'm big on up. The other day I go sports day and I tell them I'm sunburnt. Sunburnt. Okay? Yeah man, can't manage that. Anyways, I pick on up back when I reach I go a Gibo first. So I pick on up when I reach a Gibo. Alright? Wanna stay with me, I come. Alright, so I start the foolishness already. But wanna hear me out. Hear me out. Okay? Me left on the road I drive a while ago. I come from downtown. Hear me no? I come from downtown. And I said to myself, say a long time I not eat donut. Long time I not eat Prestige donut. So I go stop at Prestige and get donut. But then I go to one like a story time. I'm turning on the camera in here at you. I'm going to one like a story time because I bet you never know this. You see when I pregnant. You see when I pregnant with Gigi. Every Saturday, as long as I am in town, as long as I am home and in town, we used to come at Prestige. We used to come at Prestige so much that the lady know me. As soon as she see me, she say, "Oh, baby, Maria, come get your fix." We used to do that Prestige every Saturday. And no disrespect to the man on the roadside we sell the Prestige donut them at the stoplight. But me like my donut them fresh. So I come right to the source. And I'm actually right here now, you know. Oh no, them all change it, them all fix up the sign because the sign there get very dull. Let me show you. See the sign there now? Yeah man. Yeah. Yeah, right from Slipe Road right here so I normally come here so every Saturday. So now I'm just gonna go, I'm en route same way. So I'm just gonna go to Nationals and I'm going to the one on Balmoral Avenue. So yeah. That's one that we're gonna go. So I'm gonna pick you guys up. Oh, I forget to tell you no Jesus peace. Oh no, you see why I'm not really used to the vlog life here. I'm not used to the vlog life, you know. People go Gibo Tradings and 2 of me vex. I was just why I never remember to tell you no, cause me vex. Me I tell you to say me vex. So anyways, I'm put it down on there. So yeah, I go at Gibbo Tradings. And people don't know me did have my list and thing. Why when I reach at Gibbo Tradings, them not have no chicken, not chicken nuggets. Them not have no fish nuggets. Them not have no chicken tenders. Order everything about the thing was so wrong. India was so full. I don't really like going to Gibbo Tradings on a pay week, you know, but I never have no choice because I didn't need the nuggets them and I need the meat stuff. So that's why I go there. Them not have no fish nuggets. Them not have no chicken tenders. And me order 3 tins of sweet corn and the woman cash 3 tin of corned beef. 3 tin of corn. Hey, let me tell you something. I was so pissed. But I get the nuggets. So I get the chicken nuggets them. So I'm giving baby girl chicken nuggets. So I bought 2 of these. Well, I actually bought 5 pound of nuggets. So I got them in 2 of these bags. I think this is 2 pound. So I get 2 pound bag and 1 small 5 pound bag. That's how they weigh it out. And I only got, so I got 5 pound of that. And I got the fries. They give me the fries in 3. I bought 3 pound of fries, but they give me in 1 pound bags individually. So I got the fries in these 1 pound bags. And I also bought milk. Oops. They're catching on the one shade here, so I don't know where the sun's at. So yeah, and I got the 3 surge milk. Alright, so basically I feel like my Gibbo Tradings thing was a fail because they never have the things that I didn't need. So maybe that's why I did feel for the donut. What do you think? Oh my god, not me trying to find an excuse as to why I bought donuts. Monique, I have to go get it together. But hey, anyways, I'm gonna go to Nationals now. And yeah, man, I get the other things and actually eat it though. So yeah. Okay, so I am now at National. I'm gonna get out the car. I don't like video in a public, you know, but let me see what I'm gonna do when I go inside. Oh, and they're very full. Okay, so wait, may I have to check if it's on record. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Nationals now. I spent $8,706 and I think I got some good stuff, so I'm about to show y'all what I got. Yeah, so you know me, I'm gonna start off strong with my plantain chips. The plantain chips is a must. We got 12 of these in the bag, and it's like for $978. I know the price of this out of my head because I normally buy it. Yeah, so 12 of this for $978. So today I also bought some banana chips. 5 of these came in the bag. You know you can only buy things in 5 at National, so I pick up 5 of these banana chips. I also picked up 5 of the ripe plantain chips. So yeah, I got my granolas. I don't know me like my granola them. I didn't buy too much this time. I only bought 2 pack. 1 pack of the power pack and 1 pack of the apple cinnamon. Yeah, because I realized that I don't really be eating these as much these days, so I am cutting back. I only got one of each. I also saw some Lasco, so I bought Lasco 2. Normally I get these at Price Mart with the one that comes with 10 in the bag, but then I don't really be doing cereal like that anymore, and I don't really use Lasco like that anymore, so I don't need to be buying the 10 pack. So I bought 3. I think these 3 was like for $600 and something. So we got 3 Lasco. I got 3 juice for baby girl, 3 different flavors. They come in the bag like this. I think they pack them like this. So strawberry, banana, apple, and also mango orange pineapple flavor. So I have these for her as well. And I also bought this box of chocolate mix. I think this makes a lot of sense. And I think this was like $1,350. In my head that makes sense, because in the supermarket you literally pay like $70 for one plus tax, and I get the entire box for $1,350, and it's 20 sachet coming in. And this is the flavor French vanilla. They only had two flavors. They had the nutmeg and they had the French vanilla. I did buy this. I never really like it when I did buy it the first time, but then I realized I knew how to pep it up. Like, so I add salt, look a bit of salt to bring up the flavor, and I also add Lasco to this. So that's why I did really pick up the Lasco, by the way, to add it to this when I'm making my tea. So I'm gonna get this. What else did I get? Listen, people, I've been hunting down the jerk bad dog for a minute now and couldn't find it, because me even call CPJ, I call CB Foods. Two of me couldn't understand why I never did see them in the supermarket. I called CB Foods and they're telling me that, you know, that bad dog, they said they really make the bad dog for the vendors. When you tell me that, I say, well, consider me a vendor, because I tell her the amount of bad dog I use, this is like a staple for me. And the jerk one, chef's kiss. You see, if you try that jerk one here, you're not gonna ever go back to the regular one. And people normally tell me, oh, I don't like bad dog because bad dog toughy and all the whoever you're buying it from or whoever you're eating it from simply don't know how to prepare it. You have to boil it first. I would say boil it first and then you use it. So, because I normally boil it first and then I cut it up. So you see, when I'm doing my pasta, I drop one of this in the pasta water and let it boil with the pasta, and then I take it out and cut it up and fry it up so it's really nice and soft. Try it. Don't knock it till you try it. And then last but not least, when you remember when we did get the one at the coconut one at National First, I thought that it had all the flavors that are on the back in the box, but no, they don't have any mix pack. So I got this fruit bar one. Me and Gigi be eating these. This is the berry twist flavor, and I pick it up because I said this must taste nice. The coconut one, don't get me wrong, you know, the coconut one is good, but I prefer the coconut one. It have coconut flakes and everything in there, but I don't think it's giving enough coconut for me. But that's for me though. Don't knock me. So I'm packing this bag up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop at home. I'm gonna go home first because I'm gonna drop these off. I have to drop these off because I have things in here that I don't want to be going to PriceSmart with. And sometimes when I'm going to PriceSmart, I look on things I need to look on. So I might take a minute in there. So we're gonna drop these off first, and then I'm gonna head to PriceSmart. I know I have the nuggets in here too, so I need to drop all of these off and then we go PriceSmart. So I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm going to PriceSmart. Alright, later. So I made it home. I'm gonna be making my favorite, which is a noodle bowl for Saturday dinner. These are the bowl noodles that I use, and I also use an extra pack of ramen just to stretch it out, because sometimes it just seems like a small amount. And then this is me putting, well, the noodles are together boiling, strain off the water, and then just add the cheese and the sauce, well, the seasoning from the other packet, just to flavor the noodle. Sometimes I do a coconut curry sauce for it, but that was not what I was doing this evening. I was just going basic and plain. And then I fried some shrimp for myself, and I'm gonna be doing the sausage for my husband because he doesn't eat shrimp. So this is me putting all the seasoning and everything together. I add a little bit of the sauce because I didn't want it to be spicy, and that was done. This is what the bad dogs looks like right after it's boiled. It's still oily and all of these things, but it's just soft and more succulent. Right now I can just take a piece and eat it. So I just put it in the noodle bowl. Well, I'll crisp it up first. I'll put it in the noodle bowl. This one is for my husband, and the one with the shrimp is definitely for me. So this is what I normally make for Saturday dinner. So now these are the things I got at PriceSmart. I got an all-purpose, 2 sets come with it, and I also got a combo snack pack. It came with 12. I also got oranges. These were like for $700. I could not leave them. And I got my pack of yogurt. I tried this one because I normally get the other one, but this one was a little bit cheaper and it had more, so I decided to try it. And then we got my favorite, which is the sweet chili Thai sauce, the red chili sauce. Listen, that is chef's kiss. Normally I get my rice, so this is the rice that I normally get. And I also got a pack of cheese singles, mainly for my husband. And I got wipes for baby girls, 600 wipes. It's like 6 packs in there, each pack hold 100. And I also got some carrots. So that's it for Price Mart. So today is Sunday and we have some cleaning up to do. As you can see, my cupboards are in a little bit of a disarray. So these things that are on the counter now, I'm gonna have to pack these out in the cupboard and, you know, making there look as tidy as possible, so when you open it you can find the things that we are looking for. So yeah, we're about to do that right now and I might show you guys what I do. Yeah, so let's hold to see how we get it together, you know. So this is so much better. I fixed everything. Top shelf is on deck. The snacks, it's so hard to fix snacks. So yeah, that's how I'm leaving it. So this is basically it. Okay, y'all, so that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go put baby girl to sleep so I can comb her hair. If I realize her ear won't comb, so I can comb her hair and go get on with the other stuff that I have to do for today. I have to cook dinner and just to clean up a little bit. So yeah, anyways, tell him tata, tell him tata, bye, yay. Anyways, big up on yourself, not on life itself.